It is that time. Demo day 1 in the kitchen. Stay tuned. All right, it's Ashley with Keller Williams up in Everett. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, man, visit me on Facebook. I got a lot of stuff on Facebook about real estate today. Yeah, check it out, like the page, shoot me a message, whatever you need to do. All right, so let's roll into the video. Okay, so we are finally starting the kitchen. Okay, so today I'm gonna walk you through demo day 1, which is awesome. It's really exciting. I want to take you through the world, so here we are. If you remember, we had full walls here. And here. So this was the old entry into the kitchen. And this wall was completely closed off. And so, as you can see today, after demo day 1, we no longer have walls. Let me see if I can get a little more lighting maybe. So we open that up. You can see the old knob and tube in there. That is going away. And the entry to the living room. So I mean, this will be really nice. And there's the entry to the laundry room that you saw that we completed. So this door here, which currently exits out to the back patio, will be going away. We'll be enlarging this window, which will be a nice addition. All the cabinets are going away, so all this that you're seeing here is going to be gone. And that pretty much concludes day 1. I mean, this is going to be just way more open since all these walls are going to be gone. There's just going to be one post, and I think the post will remain right here. And today our contractor will be doing work to get that post in. Okay, so you see it? Pretty awesome, right? All right, so, I'll just keep doing videos. I'll put up the next, as soon as we go through demo day 2. I'll pick some intervals that make sense so you guys can kind of see what's happening. So please like the video, subscribe to my channel, check out my website, ashleybolden.com, and I will see you again soon, YouTube.